Okay, in this video we'll talk about how to use the maintenance info panel located at the top of the maintenance dashboard. You can see here the panel in black. On the left you can see the categories. You can select these categories. You can select the most critical categories for you, or you may select them all. Let's say that we would like to see the categories on axles, on brakes, on filters, oil change, safety check, and tires. Click on update panel to get to make an update of this panel. What you can see here, it's a separate list for the trucks and a separate list for the trailers. In red you can see the number of schedules that are overdue in this category. So you can see here that for the trailers in the category axles we have one overdue schedule. If you click on it, the system will automatically apply the filters and show it to you. So here is our overdue schedule in this category. You can reset the filters. For example, also in green you can see the due soon or coming soon schedules. Okay, in this case you can see that in the category brakes we have two coming soon schedules, and you can see the units the schedules are for, and you can click on each of them to see the details. Okay, again reset the filters. On the right you can see a list with the active trucks. So you have 3 active trucks. You can click on them to filter and to see what are the active trucks. You can do the same for the active trailers. Okay, here are our active trailers. You can see how many trucks out of your list are not connected to ELD providers. So we have 3 trucks and all 3 are not connected to ELD providers. You can see how many registered schedules you have. So at the moment we have 4 registered schedules. Here are our registered schedules. 2 of them are critical, 2 of them are for trucks, and 2 of them are for trailers. And each of them this one has 2 trailers, 2 trucks, and 2 trucks. Okay. Then you can see the number of open repair orders. You can go here and see that we have 2 open repair orders. You can reset filters here if you want to see them all. Okay, and the number of critical issues. At the moment we have 0 critical issues, so no critical issues, and 1 issue that is not critical. That's all.